Welcome back viewers after a very long break. I am not able to make more frequent videos like before because of personal reasons, but anyway, if my subscribers are still here with me, then a very big thank you for joining me on another brand new unboxing video. If you have just joined us new and enjoyed this video, it would be a big help to the channel if you liked and shared this video. Most importantly, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you will be notified of new videos like this in the future. Today I am going to be unboxing the Terminator 40th Anniversary 4K Steelbook. Purchased from Zavvi for £29.99. Currently in the UK it is out of stock in most big retailers. Previously I had this version of the Terminator Blu-ray Steelbook which I sold on eBay before getting the 4K edition. Sorry, I had some focusing issues on my camera, so I had to stop the recording at this point and then start recording again. I know most people are not happy with the recent James Cameron's films like Aliens, True Lies and The Abyss that came out in 4K, which he personally supervised while restoring the films. And I know T2 is one of the worst films that was really badly restored into 4K. So the artwork on the front of the Steelbook has a big endoskeleton skull of the Terminator, and on the bottom it has artwork of Sarah and Carl running. Also it has flames in the background, which I really like. It does have the film's title and Schwarzenegger's name, but very small on the bottom of the Steelbook. I would have preferred the film's title a little bigger and embossed. It has a really nice shiny gloss finish. And at the back the artwork has the picture, more like a silhouette of the T-1000 in this rainbow liquid effect color. In the background it has the smoke and the fire. At the bottom it has the film's credit, which I don't like when they add film's credit on the actual Steelbook. The 4K disc has artwork of the endoskeleton skull in black and gray color. And the Blu-ray disc has no artwork, just plain blue color. I just love the inside artwork of the Steelbook. They should have put that artwork on the front cover. The artwork has the Terminator with his laser gun pointing out in original color. The background has the same smoke and fire. The artwork has the same shiny gloss finish. This is the J card. You can pause the video to see all the information properly. It seems like they added couple of new features on the special features. I compared it to the Blu-ray edition and it does seem like they added to more new features. So that was the unboxing of the Terminator 40th Anniversary Steelbook. This time I think they did a good job with the Steelbook, but I haven't actually seen the film, so I don't know how the film looks. Thank you so much for watching.